Good morning, guys. It's been very long since I made any videos. So today I'll be explaining about talent points. Let me show you my talent. So I've been using three kind of talents. You can unlock these talents. It's just you can change the talents according to yourself. It's like slots here. Uh, when I got this is like I kept in talent 1 only for attack. So here you can see maximum it will be army attack, cavalry attack, everything will be like this. So army defense and army HP and everything. This is for attacking. When it comes to defense, I'll change to talent 3. Here you can see maximum I'll be using on this. So in talent 1 I've skipped many things and updated army defense and army max HP. So buffs due to research and everything else. So I have majorly um, upgraded this one. Use talents for all the talent points for defense and max HP for attack, so that my troops doesn't die to get easy victory. And when it comes to talent 3, this is for defense. So maximum attributes I kept for archer, so that I'll show you my buffs as well. So here you can see infantry attack 45% and archer attack is at 61%. When we use these talent points, they will be increased. Let me show you. So this one particularly is to grow castle levels or training speed, everything. Here you can see I have not touched any army attack or anything. So I have simply used all my talent points for construction speed and research speed, training speed, army capacity. uh, this army capacity is like when you send your troops out to attack, with this capacity they bring back more resources. So here you can see this is for collection speed and everything. Few things I have skipped. Wood production I have skipped and stone production I have skipped because I am not a farming person. I'm more like attack and loot. So for me it's like bringing back more resources. So I have increased army capacity completely in research speed and training speed. You can see I have skipped most of them, and you know at last training speed. Usually it takes days, uh, maybe 1 or 2 days to train around 2000 troops, as I have mentioned in my earlier video. It takes uh, many days to train 100k troops or something to get it. But for me, I have used all my talent points for research speed and training speed. Training speed. Okay. How do you get these talent points? So here, when you play stages, and to you have to increase this lord level. When for each lord level, you'll get around 6 to 7 points. In the low level lords, you'll get from 3 points, 4 points. It increases gradually. Right now, for me at level 77, I got 7 points. So by using these 7 points, I'll increase the next one. So with these talent points you can change accordingly. So you have to buy these slots. You'll get only talent 1. So talent 2 you should pay, I'm not sure. For talent 3 I have paid around 1000 diamonds, and to unlock talent 4 you have to pay around 2000 diamonds. It's very useful actually. You can change according to your way of using the game. If you are more like an farming person, you can change all the points. Skip you, you can skip few things, and you can use all the talent points for the stone production, wood production, everything, so that when you send your troops, they'll collect more and come back soon. That's all for today, guys. Thank you.